This is exactly how to fix can't jump out of the battle bus in Fortnite. So the first thing we need to do is to go into settings right here, as you can see. So click on settings, and now we're just going to scroll all the way to the right here until we get to the controller mapping. So this is if you're using a controller. Of course, I'm going to show you what to do on the PC a bit later. So I'm just going to click right here and then make sure that the jump button right here is the correct. I have it set to X here, as you can see. I think it's the best for a controller. And if you're using a keyboard, so here it is, you need to go to keyboard controls instead, and then make sure that the jump button right here is correct as well. And then don't forget to save, and yeah, you will be able to see. Fuck! This is how I fixed can't jump out of the battle bus in Fortnite. So the first step is going to be for us to go into settings right here. So go into settings, and then now you're going to go into controller mapping if you're using a controller, and then make sure that the jump button here is correct. And I have it set to X. I think it's the best one for controller. And if you're using a keyboard, you're going to go into the keyboard controls here instead and make sure that the jump button here is correct as well. And yeah, basically after that you will need to save, and you will be able to see how you can actually save down below right here. For controller, it is just the triangle button. But basically this is exactly how to actually fix this.